Hey Cubs, this is an editing video. It's been requested a lot lately by people in school mainly and all that, so I've just decided to do one here right for you right now. So I have my tripod that's say 5'3". I'm 5'4", 5 sort of area. So I'm gonna get one at 6 foot right now, but I haven't even got like a clip thing on the top. It's just balanced on top as well. Like, so it's not very stable, but my dad's gonna buy me one. It's just coming in the mail right now. I keep it kind of low when I'm sitting down, like right now. This is just a sheet over my, like a double bedded sheet over my bed, like a 2-hour bunk bed. So I thought it would be better than actually seeing my bunk bed, because it's not nice to look at, let's say. I don't know. And then WB-70 Samsung camera. I use this for I use this for taking pictures. I use this for recording now. And so people who were on Facebook pages asking me what camera it was, this is the same camera I use for my recording right now, and it's a WB-750 Samsung camera. It's in full HD. It's just, I like it, I love it. But I am getting a Canon 60D very, very soon, which I love. It's got everything that's perfect for me. I've always wanted this camera for a long time, like always wanted it. It's such a beautiful camera, and I just think it's, oh, I can't wait to have it. I'm so excited. Yeah, so I'm getting a new camera soon, and so you'll definitely see the difference in that, because it'll just be better all around, because I'll have like the flip screen, so I'll be able to use it for vlogging, and it'll be like, I'll be able to see like me better. Cause when I did that vlogging, last vlog I just did, I used this camera to make it better quality, but I didn't know if I was shot or not, so it's kind of bad, because I had to just take it with the flow sort of thing. I didn't know if I was going to be in shot or not, but I did take my tripod when I went vlogging, and that's how you saw me running through the fields, because I just put up the tripod, put my camera on top and started recording, because not many people go around Mill of Grange, and if they do, they're not steely people. People who steal things, so that's all good in the hood. And then we got my mic. It's Snowball Blue. Can't show you at the moment because I'm using this right now as well, but it's just on a tiny little stand, but you can screw it onto any stand you want. So when I do get the clip catch thing for this, I'll be using this right now for now until I get my Canon. When I get my Canon, I'm actually buying the tripod at the same time, so I'll use the new tripod with my Canon, and then I'll use this with my mic, so they'll be at the same kind of height, so they take the volume properly. So that'll be all good in the hood as well. And then I use software, and this is like, I use 3 main softwares, and then I use stuff to get my games off. So I use Audacity for recording with my mic, because I record different like sound sort of areas, like because I have a mic on this, but I prefer to use that because it sounds clearer and more pristine. But yeah, that's good. And then I use Sony Vegas for my editing in general. I edit all my own videos. I don't see like why anyone else should do it for me if I can do it myself, and I can do it how I want to do it. I'm still learning how to edit, so like I want to learn more about it, but I'd say I'm pretty good so far, because I edit my sister's cover videos, so far, but she's doing a new one soon. I don't think I'm allowed to tell you what it is. I don't know if she makes them a surprise or not. But I am helping her to record that and all that, even though she isn't playing Lord of the Rings with me. But then I record my gameplay with Fraps, and it's really easy software. It's about 20 quid. You just press Curricular F and it records for you. It does screenshots too, but I prefer it just to do my gameplay recording, because I don't need it to screenshot for me. that's all Fraps is, just a recording thing for your gameplays or for your screen in general. So if you do want me to go more in depth with actually editing by showing you the software whilst I'm editing, then tell me in the comments below, and you can either decide if you want me to show you normal editing, like this sort of editing, like just with a video, or do you want me to show you editing like my gameplay edits, because they're different in little ways. Or if you're a gaming channel and you want to learn how to put the cam in the corner, or you want to learn how to put the border around the cam like I do now, then obviously ask for the gaming one. But if you're just doing normal vlogging channel or beauty channel, then you could ask about my normal ones, I guess. Yeah. Okay, and then I use Photoshop for my thumbnails. All relevant photos, like, because if you don't, then YouTube can tell you off if you don't use relevant photos. But not to the, when I say relevant, I mean they'll tell you off if you show a woman with boobs out and a misleading title, and then it just be you sat in front of a screen, all saggy and old, or fat and horrible, and not anything it says it's been like advertised as, and that's what YouTube doesn't like either. But yeah, I use Photoshop and I use relevant photos, and for my gameplays I just print screen a part of my gameplay that I use before I edit it and put with the face cam on. And then I use Photoshop for the border, but I didn't do the border with my little camera thing. My brother did it, because why do it if I can get my brother to do it? Because he knew what I wanted and he knew how to do it more better than me, so, and he's basically helped me a lot with my YouTube, so why not get more help? If he ever wanted help off me, I don't know why he would want help off me, don't know why he would want help with, but I always be like, yeah, I'm up for it, I'm up for helping you, because he's a great brother and he helped me a lot. But I think that's all. Oh yeah, royalty music. Please use royalty music if you're like gonna be YouTubing, because YouTube doesn't like it. And in the future, when you want some sort of like membership or thing that they pay you in the future, not saying I want to get paid from YouTube. Yes, it'd be nice to get paid for something that I love doing and it's really fun. Yes, it's stressful, but it's really fun at the same time. Sitting in front of a camera just blabbing on about you thing that you want to talk about, I think that's pretty fun. But I'm not here just for the money, so if it was, then I'd go out by now, because you don't get paid till ages, so why? Why would you only go for YouTube for just getting paid? It's just stupid. It's good to have, but it's stupid, and all my money would go on to YouTube anyway. Like, because if I had money to go on to, like if I was getting paid to be a YouTuber, then I would be well known enough to have some fans, like more fans than I do now, because I have like 51 I think. So I'd like put half of it, or 2/3 towards actually YouTube equipment and more software that's better and more advanced to the software that I have now, and then I'd use the other third or the other half towards the merchandise that I would make, like Fozzie Bear jumpers and all that, and jumpers with ears on saying Fozzie Bear and all that, you know, cute, and like little polymer clay Fozzie Bear things. Yeah, so I could do all that if I got paid for it, which would be nice, because none of it would actually be going to me, it would be going to all you guys, because I'd put it back straight into YouTube. But you know, not getting paid for that. Don't want to get, like, don't mind if I don't get paid. It's just a bonus, to be fair. But yeah, anything else? World of music, camera, tripod, mic, Audacity, Fraps, Sony Vegas. Yep, that's all. Backups, Aussie Fab.